how to turn an old joystick into a gaming console powered through HDMI. In this section, we will make an awesome DIY project that utilizes an original 90s CMS Greek stick joystick, which allows you to stuff a Pi Zero inside. Simply plug the cord into a HDMI outlet on your TV and you have a retro gaming system literally in the palm of your hands. Parts needed. In this video, we will go through the parts and tools necessary to finish this project. First and foremost is our joystick. I will be using a CMS Greek stick for its extra 6 buttons, which allows us to map them how we want. You can use whichever USB joystick you like, as far as it has got enough space for a Pi Zero. Our board of choice for this project again is Pi Zero. The size of it makes it perfect for portable builds and small projects in general. A minimum of 4GB SD card from a reputable seller, and I can't stress enough how important this is. A key part of the build is this HDMI voltage inserter. This plugs into your TV's HDMI and the USB plug, delivering 5 volts through the HDMI cable, enough to power our console. Next will be a slim mini HDMI to HDMI cable. We will need a slim one, since this will be the only cable coming out from our console, so it's essential to have a slim cable that can be easily malleable. To connect our joystick to the Pi Zero, we need a micro USB male plug from a used USB cable that you don't use any longer. From the same cable, take out the inner cables and keep around 10 cm of length from it. Some Kapton tape to ensure that we don't have any shorts inside the console, leather-free solder, and for our tools, we will need a clamp to cut some wires, a small screwdriver, and finally a soldering iron.